Ah. 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 Fuck, then let's go.
Hey, I'm lesbian.
I thought you were American.
Give it to me, I get no sleep cause of y'all. Y'all not gonna get a sleep cause of me.
Hey everybody, today my brother pushed me, so I'm starting a Kickstarter to put him down. The benefits of killing him would be I would get pushed way less.
This kid finna knock himself out.
Emergency.
Somebody at our prom has been killed. Please help.
Well, calm down. We don't want to panic at the disco.
Mix it all together and you know that it's the best of both worlds.
So I'm sitting there, barbecue sauce on my titties.
Wow.
Used to dream of outer space, but now they're laughing at the face, saying, wake up, you need to make money. Yeah!
The cheese of truth.
Immigrants cause cancer.
We actually have the chip reader now.
Oh yeah?
Oh, it's not gonna work with that kind of
Transaction completed.
I saw you hanging out with Caitlin yesterday.
Rebecca, it's not what you think!
I won't hesitate, bitch.
You dumbass motherfucker.
Hear that? Must be getting close. Hold on.
Jared, could you read number 23 for the class? No, I cannot.
What up? I'm Jared, I'm 19, and I never fucking learned how to read. Everybody in the club get tipsy. Watch out for those eyes, cause she's armed and dangerous like Bow.
Miss me with that gay shit.
Hands up, she said.
What the fuck?
Hi, I'm Renata Bliss, and I'm your freestyle dance teacher.
What will you learn? What will you learn? That your actions have consequences.
I'm sorry, I fell asleep while I was waiting on you to make me a sandwich.
Go back to sleep and start.
Put that candy back. I'm not buying you all that mess. Oh, try me, bitch.
Who am I? Let's go to the beach! Beach! Nicki Minaj.
You ready to fucking die?
No, yeah, I'm a bad bitch. You can't kill me. Whoa. My dick fell off. Listen. You should.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine, and you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Welcome to Bible study. We're all children of Jesus. Kumbaya.
I'm John Cena!
You got it all, believe it. When you fold it up,
Hey.
if you fold it up,
I'm gay.
I
have crippling depression.
Hey. I'm gay.
What a lovely day.
Hey, how y'all? Get your fucking dog, bitch! It don't bite.
Yes, it do!
Wait a minute. Who are you?
You're a wizard, Harry. I'm a what? A wizard.
Why? 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 Why?
It's your birthday, so I know you want to die. Birthday, Zach! Girl, you know.
Happy Christmas. It's Christmas. Merry Crisis. Merry Chrysler.
Yo! Yo, holy shit, he dead!
Red dress on tonight, dancing in the dark in the pale moonlight.
Adam!
I have osteoporosis.
Hey, Terry, you want some? This bitch empty.
Hey, how much money do you have? Like 69 cents. You know what that means.
I don't have enough money for chicken nugget.
Caterpillar rave.
The prophecy is true.
Watch this out. It's gonna be cool. It's gonna stick on the screen.
I mean, 4 female Ghostbusters? The feminists are taking over. I'm an adult virgin.
And how much you pay for that taco?
Hey, yo, you know this, boy. He's got his free taco.
What you say? Oh, that you only meant well, well, 'cause you did. What you say?
Well, when life gives you lemons.